So in this section we will see the Hadoop architecture. The core of Apache Hadoop consists of the storage part. What I am saying that the core of Apache Hadoop consists of a storage part which is known as HDFS. HDFS is Hadoop Distributed File System, and a processing part which is called as a MapReduce. So Hadoop splits the files into large blocks and distributes them across the nodes in a cluster. So to process the data, Hadoop transfers the packaged code for nodes to process in parallel based on the data that needs to be processed. Actually, this approach takes the advantage of data locality. The nodes are manipulating the data they are having access to. They allow the data set to be processed faster and more efficiently than it would be in a more conventional supercomputer architecture that relies on a parallel file system. And the data is distributed via high-speed networking. So, the Apache Hadoop framework is composed of the following modules. So, which are the modules? That is, all the modules are HDFS, Yarn, MapReduce common utilities, and these are mainly having the Java libraries and utilities required by the other Hadoop modules. These libraries provides the file system and OS level abstractions and contains the necessary Java files and scripts that are required to start the Hadoop. So talking about the four components of Hadoop framework, we will start with the HDFS, that is the Hadoop Distributed File System. It is a distributed file system which stores the data on commodity machines, providing very high aggregate bandwidth across the cluster. Talking about the Yarn framework, it is also called as Hadoop Yarn. It is a resource management platform which is responsible for managing computing resources in clusters and using them for scheduling of users' application. Then Hadoop MapReduce. So either it is called as a MapReduce or MR1 or Yarn MR2. It is implementation of the MapReduce programming model for the large scale data processing. And since 2012, the term Hadoop has come to refer not just the basic modules of this, but also to the ecosystem and collection of additional software packages that can be installed on top of or alongside of Hadoop, such as Apache Pig, Apache Hive, Apache HBase, Apache Phoenix, Apache Spark, Apache Zookeeper, Cloudera Impala, Apache Flume, Scoop, OZ, Storm, Spark, etc. So these are the basic components of Hadoop architecture which we have seen, and the common utilities generally contains the libraries that are needed by all these Hadoop modules. That comes under the common utilities, and that contains the Java libraries and utilities required by the other Hadoop modules. These libraries provides the file system and the OS level abstractions which contains the necessary Java files as well as scripts. So this is all about the Hadoop architecture and the components of Hadoop framework. Now in the next lecture we will see the main components of Hadoop framework in detail. Thank you.